Let me ask you a question. Do you listen to music every single day? If that's the case, why not get paid for it? If you haven't read it yet, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Aspire team where we get better, do better, and we be better. Without further ado, guys, I want to talk to you guys about a website where you could just listen to music for like 90 seconds, give your critique about it, and then you get paid for it. There are three categories for you guys to review within the Slice of Pie website. You could do music, you could do mobile, which is reviewing your phone case as a mobile accessory, and you can also do auto branding, where you could do review voiceovers and short audio clips. Since we're talking about music, we're gonna go to the music section and we'll get right to it. Once you click on the review tab, you will be presented with these dialog boxes. I'm gonna review this track real quick, but I have to turn up the sound because copyright issue, y'all. But I'll let y'all hear a little snippet. After you write down what you think about the song, you want to rate it. So I'll give it a 10. Because I'm no hater and I love it. It got me popping my, you know what I'm saying, popping my chest up. Alright, what I added to my playlist, of course. And all you gotta do is submit the track. Look, thank you, well done. Your review of blah 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 was successful, awesome. And I made 3 cents, y'all. Look, and the price changed. Now I made $5.77. Did you see how easy it was? Now this is for people who like to listen to music and you don't get tired of it. Now if you're into music and you like to know what's the next hype, the next banger, the next new artist that that affects you emotionally or whatever, look, this is a good website for you to earn extra income. Just listen to a song and just give me your own opinion. We do that all the time, so why not get paid for it, right? All right, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to the review section. I'm gonna leave it. So I'm back to the home page, and let's see. Let's do mobile review. Review phone cases, mobile accessory. Hey man, it looks dope. Nothing wrong with it. And then read their description and see their functionality. How long it's gonna last and stuff like that. Just for a quick disclaimer, guys, don't mind what I wrote. I just try to write it real fast. And after you write down what you think about these products, do the exact same thing like you did with the music section. Rate it. I'll give it a 10. Okay. What do you think the price range is likely to be in? So now you want to price it. I think this. I think it's worth like $13. Do you listen to music when you exercise? Yes. Answer all these questions, guys. When you're finished writing review on a product, do the exact same thing like you did on music section. And then click on submit. Bam. I just made 13 cents. Look. Now I'm at $5.90. Look how easy that was, guys. Now if you're broke and you need some kind of money, some kind of income, just do it. Do it this way, See, the more you do it, the more you get paid. Alright guys, last but not least on the Slice of Pie website, let's do the auto branding section. That's where we're going to be reviewing voiceovers and short audio clips. For copyright reason, I can't play the sound, but it's just a quick guitar note, for 16 seconds. And now, what do we do next, guys? We just gotta tell them what we think about it, And don't mind me, I'm just typing this out real fast just to give you guys an example of how things work. Look, after you write down your opinion, you do the exact same thing over and over, guys, just like the other two faces that I show you. Rate the track. I always show love to everybody. So I always give them like a 10 out of 10, okay? And just go through the list, y'all. Just go through the list and just answer the question. And after that, you're going to get paid. It's simple. There you go. Bam. Look, I'm at $5.93 now. All right, guys, I'm gonna go back to the homepage, and let's just close out this video real fast. Without further ado, guys, I hope my video help you guys out, and I hope my videos add value to your life. You know, put some money in your bank account, put some money in your pocket, and click down the link below, guys, for the description to just sign up, and it's free. And when you guys sign up, it helps me get a little bit of money too as well, and you're helping the channel out. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be posting a lot of videos on how to make money, how to get money, and how to not be broke. A lot of you guys might be asking, how many songs or products or audio branding do I have to review for me to get to $5.93? It's different and it varies for everybody, but I'm just gonna show you guys straight up. Because like I said, I want to be transparent with you guys, Inspired Family. So here you go. A lot of people don't do this, but I got y'all. See? So I did 132 reviews of the song. And as of this moment, I currently make $5.93. Hey, all money is good money for me. This is a combo meal at Jack in the Box or McDonald's or something. Or gas for my car. Oh, and right here, Lucky Dip. It's just, if you click on it, it's just all it's gonna do is just randomly select one of these 3 categories for you to do. See? As you can see, guys, I don't have any friends on there. I got 0 friends. Click on the link below and become my friend. Alright, Inspired Family, I hope my video add value to your life, and I hope you guys get paid from doing this. I showed you how to get it. Now it's up to you to go and get it. Alright, just want to say like, comment, subscribe, and join the Inspired team where we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's get it, let's go. See y'all next time on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z.